Hi all, welcome to my channel. So today I have prepared sugar-free healthy oats cake, and all the ingredients would be available in your kitchen and it would be very healthy whatever I have used here. So this is weight loss and weight maintenance cake which can be used, and anyways also it can be used. So I have used baking powder 1 teaspoon. These are the ingredients. Then baking soda I have used half teaspoon, and then I've used chocolate essence, so you can change according to you. Then I've used some measuring spoons. You would need to measure the things. And then you need some jaggery. You can see I've taken in 250 grams, and then I've taken oats powder, that is also 250 grams, and some chocolates. The chocolates are sugar free. You can also take dark chocolate as you wish. Then I've taken some ghee to grease the pan, and then we need sour curd, which would be like half cup or so, 60 ml I've just mentioned. And then you can see I've taken 60 ml with this measuring spoon, so accordingly. And I've also used electric beater. If you want, you can use hand beater, that's not a problem. So however you are comfortable, that's up to you. Then I have taken normal vegetable oil, which would be like 4 tablespoons, because this would only provide moisture to your cake and cake will become fluffy. So now I have just chosen my measuring spoons. I have just taken this 250 grams of spoon, and then this I would be measuring with my oats powder. So I have prepared this oats powder at home in the mixer jar. So you can also take a ready-made one. So I've just taken that 250 grams, and again 250 grams of jaggery powder also I have taken. I have not used sugar at all in this recipe. Then I have taken all the dry ingredients over here. Using this spoon I have taken baking soda, baking powder, whatever the quantity I have told you already. Then chocolate essence, yeah, so I already mentioned and written over there, you can just refer the video. So all those ingredients would play a major role. And then I have chocolate. You can take grounded or cut into pieces, anything, or a powder as well, or you can take cocoa powder. So now I'm just shifting that everything together, all the dry ingredients, oats powder, then baking powder, baking soda, and then just shift it well. And then I'll be adding the oil which I told you, and that would be 4 tablespoons to give the mixture a very nice mix, smooth and glossy effect. Now I've taken sour curd, which I have taken some 60 ml, and I added to the batter. So all the wet and dry ingredients I have taken together, and now I'm mixing it really very well. So once you mix your batter very well, then you have to take a pan where you'll be preparing your cake. And I don't have actually the parchment paper, so I've just taken an ordinary paper, and I'm just cutting that round, and I'll be setting that inside my pan so that the base what I have would not get stuck with my cake. So my cake, when it comes out, it would be very smooth. So I'll just grease my pan with ghee very well all over. So once this is done, the paper what I have taken, I'll just stick that in, and I'll just put some more ghee so that it sticks to the pan very well. And over the top I'll be pouring my batter, whatever I had shown you. And then I've taken a cooker which is big, so that my container is also big. The container should fit inside the cooker. So I'll be removing the whistle. Please mark that you'll be removing the whistle. And I'm adding some salt to it. The salt is looking little brown because I have used this multiple times. You can also use. So I am putting salt because I want a good temperature. I'm not making this in the microwave oven, so I'll be using in cooker. So I wanted to maintain the temperature. So I'll preheat my cooker. Reason why I'm adding salt, and this would provide to maintain the heat inside the cooker. Reason why we have to use the salt. I've also put a stand out there so that the pan sits well inside the cooker. Now the flame should be medium, you can see. Just put this cooker. You can also make it in kadai, it's up to you. I've removed the whistle, and now I'm just setting this in for 10 minutes so that I get the preheated one. Now I'm just mixing my batter once again so that it becomes fluffy. take your time and mix it really well. There shouldn't be any lumps. Yeah. So mix it very well so that you get a smooth batter. Now I'll be adding those cut piece of chocolates and then mix that all together very well. So you have seen whatever I have used is available in your kitchen. Most of the thing I have not used even eggs, and it would be very healthy. So you know, we are not choosing any option which you don't want to, and whatever we are using would definitely help you in weight loss also. So we have maintained that, and now I'll be pouring all the batter in the pan. It's set, so I'll just dab it off to the ground so that any bubbles whatever it has, it will settle that in, and when we make the cake it becomes very fluffy and nice. Let's put this pan inside the cooker, which is already preheated. Let it settle very well. Please be very careful because whatever the pan you will be using, cooker, kadai, whatsoever, would be very hot. So you have to be very careful. If you want, you can wear those hand gloves also, wish to you, or use any kind of utensil so that you know you can maintain. You can just leave in your hands. So I'm just closing this cooker, and we are going to maintain the medium flame as well. So now we'll close the cooker lid, and later we'll see. Actually it will take some 1 hour to cook, 45 minutes to 1 hour. In between we'll check. So now when I check, this is after 20 minutes and I can see it's not yet done. Of course it won't be done in half an hour, so it will take 45 minutes to 1 hour. So let's see again after a while. So now again this is what I was expecting. So you can see how fluffy is that. So it is all it is all coming up. You can see it is so bouncy. It looks so fluffed up, you can say, and this is what the good cake means. So if your cake is rising so much, that means it is cooked so well. So you can see my knife is also coming out very clean, and this is what you expect. So my cake is baked in 45 minutes. Now I'll just take this with very carefully. I'll take this out, and we have to demold the cake. So I've taken my cake with the pan inside the fridge so that when I demold it, it comes out very well. So this, you can use this trick. You can put it in the fridge for 10 minutes or so. Now when I'm using my knife, very clean it is, and it does not have any dry wet ingredients which is coming inside with the knife. So when you flip that to upside down, it would come out so well, and you can see how fluffy is that, and it is yummy too. Trust me, it was very yummy, and it is very quick. So you can also prepare this at home, and you can enjoy. If you want, you can use icing and chocolate syrup or whatever you want. But if you're on your weight loss journey or weight maintenance, just try to have it like this, and you can also enjoy this with adding dates and almonds. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you liked this video, and thank you for giving your valuable time. Please stay tuned with my channel, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends and family. Bye bye.